This is by far my most favourite Saint Laurent bag of all time. Oh, because a girl has to have options in her handbag collection. Give me that booty. Autumn Winter 2022 and 2023 and 24. Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel and another video, and today's video is another fake it till we make it unboxing video because we're bougie on a budget here and I absolutely love fashion and luxury fashion. So I'm coming at you with the most beautiful boucle bag for autumn winter 2022 and 2023 and 24, 25, etc, etc. Like, I don't think you guys are quite ready for what's inside this box because she is stunning and I think she'll be a very popular bag this year, and I can see why. So this video is very kindly sponsored by iBagshop.com, which is where I picked this up from, because a girl has to have options in her handbag collection and they're certainly providing the goods. So we have a little Saint Laurent box here which I will be unboxing and reviewing for you because that's what I love to do. So just a cutesy black classic Saint Laurent box, that's now upside down, with a magnetic open and closure bit. The box is in a great condition once it's come. And inside we have the beauty that is, and it comes with tissue paper and little receipts and card. So are you ready? She comes in this classic Saint Laurent dust bag which does have a tag on it, but it's definitely what's inside is what you're all waiting for. This is by far my most favourite Saint Laurent bag of all time, because does she not scream autumn winter to you? Because she does to me. So this is the fake of the Saint Laurent Lulu Puffer small boucle bag, and I just absolutely love her, and yes, I did intend to match with her today. I just cannot wait to wear her and style her, which I'm actually very surprised I have not already, but I just love everything boucle. And the texture of her is, ooh, is unreal. I love this so much. So we have the YSL logo here on the front in a gorgeous like vintage gold, not horrible yellow, so don't panic. And then she also has a crossbody strap as well in gold chain with the little leather piece at the top for your shoulder. She also has another Saint Laurent tag stuck to her, and I just love her. I think she'll be perfect for like Christmas markets, I don't know, pumpkin picking, literally like anything this year. And I'm trying to contain my love, but I just can't. She's a beautiful like white, off-white colour, and I just don't get why anyone would not be obsessed with boucle. Like, that is the aesthetic what we're going for in the dressing room when she's made. And I actually just can't stop staring at her, like I love her to pieces. So she has the magnetic clasp to open her up, and I forgot to take off this packaging. Like, iBagshop does not go light on the packaging. Every single piece of hardware is covered in protective wrap, which is fantastic, by the way. So inside, once we remove the packing and the silica gel packets, not sure if you can see, but inside she does have the Saint Laurent logo, and then inside's just black, like a black canvas. She has the zip at the back, which I know for a fact you can't see, I'm sorry. So inside the wee zipped pocket at the back, it does have a like fake leather tag stitched in with a fake serial code. So on the other side, inside, there is two card holders, which I didn't actually realise, and I think is great because, let's be honest, this bag is not huge and you're not fitting a normal purse in there. So if you're out at the Christmas markets or out for a lovely autumn winter lunch, you could just pop like your bank card and ID card in there, and then you don't need to take your purse, so it saves you up room for other things you might want to take. And I do absolutely love the detail on this bag because the gold hardware on the inside, not sure if you can see that, but it does say Saint Laurent on the gold hardware as well. Like, there's not a single piece of detail that has been missed on this bag. Like, I am obsessing over this bag so much, and I seriously think that you need her. Sorry, but what other brand does a boucle bag? Like, she just reminds me of a dreamy white cloud. Like, I'm too short, but look how cute she is. Hello. Like, that'll be $15.99. No problem, let me just get my bag. Let me get my money. Like, how cute is she? Absolutely love her. Love, love, love. I was just reenacting a scene that might happen when I'm out with her. Just seeing if she makes it up to the job or not. I think she'll definitely be sitting top shelf in my wardrobe. If you are interested in that little boucle beauty, then please do head over to my Instagram, which is @Corrigall, and you can find everything you need to know in my highlights. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.